Hi, YouTube. This is Stephanie of the Work at Home Lifestyle, and I am back with another work from home job just for you. This time it's with the company Order.co, and they are hiring a customer support specialist. I'm going to jump right in and tell you about this position. They're hiring a highly motivated customer support specialist. Primarily, you'll be responsible for delivering high quality customer support by triaging issues and resolving problems in a timely manner. Let's take a look at your key responsibilities. You're going to provide prompt and professional customer support, troubleshoot and problem solve. You're going to be an effective communicator, and you will be managing customer expectations. You're also going to be documenting and tracking customer interactions and collaborating with internal teams. So, what do you bring to the table? Strong communication skills, problem solving abilities, customer centric mindset, and you must be able to multitask and manage your time well. As a customer support specialist, you will often have to handle multiple customer inquiries simultaneously. They ask that you have strong attention to detail and be able to work as a team member, work in collaboration, right? Teamwork makes the dream work. Bonus points if you have 1+ years of customer support or related experience, especially working in a SaaS or a startup environment and working with CRMs such as Zendesk. What's in it for you? This position pays $20 to $23 per hour. They offer a competitive composition package, including stock options, medical, dental, vision, and wellness benefits, flexible time off, and a 401k. So go ahead and apply for this position. The link will be in the description. Talk to you soon. Have an awesome day.